guys, this afternoon we're making Karela with some shrimp and also saltfish. And here I'm gonna put in some tomato in there, some scallions, onions, and saute this here for a few minutes. This is a very easy and quick recipe. One of my favorite food is Karela.
You like it with roti or rice?
Both ways. My favorite is sada roti.
That's exactly what we're making today. Sada roti.
Is that your favorite too?
Yeah,
I think so.
I do not like oil roti.
I prefer oil roti. It doesn't matter. Either, as long as roti.
Oil roti is good with curry chicken, curry duck, curry.
I can eat this Karela with aloo roti, dal
Bread,
puri,
baked,
bread, baked,
chota.
dosa, tortillas,
What?
whatever it is, I can eat it with. I mean, happy holidays, guys.
Merry Christmas to one
Merry
and all.
Christmas. Hope you guys get your gifts and everything ready.
And your Christmas trees are all decked out
Yep. Always
with lots of gifts under.
Yeah. We're coming to get a gift. Y'all better buy us a gift.
Yeah.
Our Christmas tree already done put up there since Thanksgiving.
Before Thanksgiving. Yeah.
Yep. But it's in a mess from the vacuum cleaner being going and hit it up,
Oh, you're
run over
little.
the train and
Yeah.
everything else. Yeah, guys, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
Yep, most importantly, subscribe. We need that subscription, guys. Folks, wonderful people.
Yeah. I'll put in the garlic and the pepper now.
So today in the Karela, we're putting in some shrimp and some dried fish.
Fried fish. I like smoked fish too. Here we go. Here we got Karela going here. A nice fresh Karela. Bitter Millon, known as.
Karela, otherwise known as bitter melon.
Yeah. It's very good for you. Karela tea is good. We should make some Karela tea another day, I guess.
Oh, I wonder if I have an appetite for that.
Yeah, you can try it out, you know. Yeah. You know, I make all kinds of tea.
Yeah, I know the neem leaf is pretty bitter as well.
Yeah.
Well, the young leaves, not the dried ones,
Yeah.
right?
The neem leaf is bitter, a little bitter. Plus we put in the clove and all that stuff in there.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, so we bought some, we like to eat like wild caught stuff, salmon, fish, I don't know, shrimp. So we got these nice wild caught shrimp, which is healthier as opposed to farm raised. Obviously more pricier.
Yep, wild caught.
Yeah.
Where's the package?
I put it back in the freezer.
And this is wild caught bitter melon.
You picked this from the backyard just now with all the snow out there, yeah?
Alright, so we have some dry fish here. Saltfish, sorry. Not too much, but good enough for this Karela. And we got some shrimp here also. Some nice big shrimp here. Put that in. Already seasoned, black pepper, Sazon, grind up seasoning and stuff like that. And guys, we like our Karela to not mushy and not fried up too much to take away all the vitamins. We like it a little raw, so all the nutrients can stay in here. I know some people would fry their shrimp up and the saltfish separately and then put it in here. I'm doing my fried Karela in a different style. So I'll have this bad boy cook up there. And this smells so good, if y'all know the smell of Karela and shrimp. And
it really does smell good.
Yep.
Yeah.
And I'll put in some black pepper
Okay.
in here. So we got 2 red pepper, put enough for your taste. I'm gonna put some crushed pepper in here.
Don't worry, guys, if you're coming over, we will alter the spiciness, so because now we both eat a lot of pepper and our foods are spicy. But if you're stopping by, we shall cook to your taste. Something like that.
Yeah. Yeah, we always get guests over all the time. And we're not gonna put in any salt as yet because of the saltfish.
Yeah.
The saltfish already, we steam it and wash it out and stuff like that, and toss it, chop it up and put it in here. So we're not gonna put in any salt in here. We're gonna taste for it. If it needs salt, then we're gonna put in some.
Yeah.
Yeah. We might put more pepper. Well, here is one. You can put one right there.
I'm not sharing that pepper. That's mine.
Serious?
Yep.
Okay.
Merry Christmas, guys. Happy holidays. Hope all is doing well. So here's our the finished product. Here's our fried Karela with shrimp and salted fish.
Saltfish, yep.
Yep. And
a nice big shrimp in there.
it's all done. We're gonna be lashing some of this later on tonight with some rice or roti. That's it. Please don't forget to subscribe to Cooking with Visha Nalini. Check us out. Leave a comment. Leave a like. Share our video. And as always, thank you so much for watching us. and going out of your way to leave some really thoughtful comments. We appreciate it, and we love responding back to you. Peace out.